Okay, Mazda 6 with a coolant leak at the end of the head. If you get coolant leaking down onto your transmission or under pressure it splurts up at this end of the head. What it is the housing where the top radiator hose comes in. This is what the housing looks like, so that's where your top radiator hose connects. You've got this pipe here, this pipe here, and this pipe here. Just bolts on the side of the head, and if we look at this, this is what they do. So it's pushed the seal out, but it's actually cracked the housing where the seal seats, and it's really common on these. So yeah, if you have a Mazda 6 with a coolant leak at the end of the head, that's what you're looking at.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.